Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I am showing you these drugstore mink eyelashes from Ardell. This is the faux mink wispies in the wispy styles. So I wear the Ardell dummy wispies like almost every single day. I just wanted to show you the application and what it looks like on my eyes. I hope this is helpful for one of you guys who love eyelashes like I do and you wear them like all the time. They are really lightweight and I love the way that they feel. They're not super heavy. They don't make me feel like my eyes are droopy. So if you want to see me try these on, then please keep watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And my vlog is down in the description too. So I'll talk to you guys at the end of this video.
Okay, so I start off with curling my eyelashes up towards the sky. I know a ton of people who do this step after they put their lashes on and they put mascara on post lashes. But for me personally, I like having them curled because it kind of gives my lashes a base to sit on. And then I go in with the I Heart Extreme Waterproof Mascara by Essence. This was introduced to me by Tony Sevdalis. I literally love this mascara so much because it's only like $2 or $3 at Ulta or Forever 21. It's crazy, but it works so well. So then we're going in with the faux mink wispies. Now they have a demi wispy style, but I personally prefer the wispies. I tend to cut all of my lashes because they are always a little too long. I'm using the Ardell Duo Dark Tone to glue my lashes on. And then going from the top at a 45-degree angle, I take it with tweezers and then I let my lashes dry with my finger pushing them up towards the sky, like underneath my lash line. And that's what they initially will look like. I do this because it really opens them up. And then when I pump it with the curler once, it glues or sticks the mascara natural lashes and the fake lashes together, which just bonds them really well, makes them look more natural. So showing you a little bit more in detail on this eye, I go from the middle, place on the middle, and then I'll go in to the outer corner side, press it down on my lids, and then the inner corner side. And that's kind of the final look. I then again pump my eyelashes together with the eyelash curler. This is by e.l.f. Again, it's only like $2 and it's the best eyelash curler out there in my opinion. Here's the final look, and I'm going to mention later in the video that you should definitely add eyeliner if you want. I personally didn't, only because I wanted to show you the lashes on its own.
Thank you guys for making it to the end of today's video. So I know it was a little bit of a short one. My final thoughts are that I definitely think it's worth your money. Definitely try it out if you are going for an event or even if you wanted to wear them every single day. I do think they're natural enough to wear on a day-to-day basis. I just wanted to show you guys a demo of these lashes because I get a lot of questions about my eyelashes and which ones I wear. I hope this video was helpful to anybody who was interested in purchasing these. I really do like the style, like I said. And compared to the 811s, which I've tried before on my channel, I'd highly recommend this one over that one. I'll leave a link to that video where I tried on the 811s down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these lashes on me down below in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. I think that with some eyeliner, this would be way cuter. I definitely do like to wear eyeliner every day, but I decided not to wear it for this demo because I feel like it would definitely take away from the lashes. Yeah, you definitely want to finish off with some eyeliner. I think that would be really cute. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. That definitely helps me out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!